It's Halloween! Hi, welcome to London Creative. For some reason I did this face when I didn't do anything once. It's Halloween! Yay! I like Halloween. Do you like Halloween? So, something creative for Halloween. There's a few things going on, but today, pumpkins. I'm allergic to pumpkins, so I can't really use them and do the things. So this is a candle holder, ceramic thing, and I have a vase here with a hole in the middle. And as you can see, I'm already set up. I'm already in the painting gear, and this is midway through trying to paint vases and things as well, which you may have already seen. I'm going to paint these. Pour flow art over these and see what we come up with. Here we are. I have 3 pumpkins, 2 of these, and the one like that. We're going yellow, orange, and the like. Ready? Straight over through the middle. I'm going to re-pour it. And pour it like, put it like that and pour this onto here like that. Just do that. Why is this so cloggy? For some reason this paint's grey, it's just lumpy. A bit more successful. I'm going to pour that. Very watery red. I'm going to flip this. 1, 2, 3. And do that again. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. It didn't really go that. Well, it's got his candle in, it's kind of like, that's it. It's okay, this one's not bad. I'm going to blow this out because I'm going to end up burning myself, but it's not bad. It came out quite good. This one, not so much. I think the problem was that given the shape of them, they pour and they run in the rivulets, and it's gone purple. It's kind of scary, kind of looks not bad. It needs some orange on it, I think. It needs to run the rivulets of orange through it. So, might add to it. We'll see. Number 3, same thing really. It's kind of £1 in whatever in charity shop. So, it's worth a try. There'll be decorations. I think I might just add some more orange to them. That was my scary face. This is my scary face. yes, if you liked this and you think it was something to try, and yeah, give me a thumbs up. If you do this, leave me comments down below, tell me what you suggest I do different, or that you've done it, and link to your video. If you're not already and you like seeing random things, painting, building, making stuff, more Halloween things to come pretty soon, so forth, then hit subscribe down there. Look where he's pointing, down there. And we'll see you again soon. Bye. Bye.